beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Dima from Dima's Vlog. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I process and make my own homemade tomato paste. You can process this and store it in your refrigerator for 3 months or more than that, depending on how much you are using it. So the difference between this and your usual store bought tomato paste is that this one has no preservatives. Okay, this one is homemade and it's almost the same thing with that of store bought tomato paste. The only difference is that this one got no preservatives and all of that. So just stay tuned and see how I process this, how I turn this into a tomato paste. Okay, so in here I've got some apple tomatoes. Here we call them apple tomatoes. You know, there are different types of tomatoes. So I basically like to use these ones because um I don't know, but I just love it. I just love to use this type of tomatoes to do this. And I have some onions, one and half bulb of onions. I've got some garlic, and one more thing, if you have ginger, you can add some ginger to it. It gives it a very good aroma at the end. So let me start off by washing this and slicing them, chopping them into a smaller piece. Okay, so stay tuned and watch till the end of this video. So guys, my tomato is all cleaned up. So I'm going to be slicing them into a smaller chunks, and let's watch out. Guys, I'm done slicing these tomatoes. I'm going to place this on fire. So I'll boil it until it becomes very soft. I'll take it down from the fire and drain the excess water in it. Okay. So guys, I've boiled down the tomatoes. So I'm going to be taking this down from the fire and also drain the water. Make sure that the excess water in it is well drained before you start blending. Okay. Guys, can you see all this water that came out of the tomatoes? It's a lot of water. So that's why I said I love to use this method to process it. Like, it reduces the cooking time, and it saves time. Literally, it saves time, because by the time I want to blend this thing, it will be easier for me to blend. I won't spend much time blending and all of that. So I'm going to be discarding this away. So this is the amount of tomatoes that I got after I was done boiling it. So I'll be keeping this on my counter table to cool down before blending. This is the much tomatoes I got after boiling. So guys, this was after the tomatoes have cooled down. So I'm going to be blending this. So I left this thing, I left it for a longer time because I wanted all the water to drain out. And as you can see, it's not like all the water have drained out, but at least a good amount of it has drained out. So I'm going to be blending this now. Guys, can you see how nice this is looking? Like, this is like the tomato puree. If you still want to further process it to tomato paste, you can go ahead and heat it up just the way I'm doing. You can see how nice, how smooth this is. So I'll transfer it into the pot because I'll be heating it. So guys, I continued with the blending process up to the last batch, and after I was done blending, I placed the tomato on the fire to further reduce the water in it. Okay. So guys, this is the end product of the tomato. You can see it looks exactly like store-bought tomato paste. So I'm going to be storing this in my fridge, and this is going to be lasting for like 1 month or 2 months depending on how I'm going to be using it. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please, if you like this kind of content, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload videos. Okay, and thank you so much for your continuous support on this channel. I do appreciate it, and see you in my next one. Thank you, and God bless you. So I was done blending the tomato. I was done blending the last batch of the tomato. You can see how smooth this looking. So I'm going to place this on fire and allow the water to reduce furthermore. So guys, this is the end product of my tomato. You can see it looks exactly like store-bought tomato paste. So I'm going to be storing this in my fridge, and that is it, guys. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoy watching this, and I hope you are able to learn how to store your tomato. Instead of allowing them to go bad, you can process it into a paste or into a puree and store it in your fridge. And the good thing is that it saves time. It saves time. If you're a working class mom, this is gonna save you a lot of time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the post bell notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one.